All right. Can you introduce about yourself?
Okay, that's myself.
Your name and what do you...
My name is Jin Kuramoto. Oh, already it started?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I'm Jin Kuramoto.
Yeah.
From Japan, Tokyo.
Yeah.
And I'm mainly working for the product design.
Uh-huh.
Almost all kinds of products we are working on.
I see.
Like furnitures and daily necessities, some electric products, and also for automobiles.
Okay.
Yeah, we can say all kinds of products, I think.
You started your career since what year?
Yeah, just after graduated of the design school, I started work as in-house designers
Okay.
at NEC, in the electric company in Japan. In the beginning of my career, I'm designing a lot of mobile phone, and also for the PC, laptop PC.
Okay.
Yeah, we started.
So you started as electronic designers then?
It is in-house designers, and it's maybe 2-3 years later, I start feeling I should deepen more about design culture.
And then?
So I found a big interest for interior design.
I see. That's why you start designing furniture.
Now.
Okay.
So I talked with my colleague and also for my boss. I have another interest for interior design. So yeah, they agree for work for it. Now I have two work. It's one for other in-house designers.
Okay.
And the rest of my time is used more for my self-project.
Okay.
I worked 6-7 years with this two-way. Then I established my own studios in Tokyo.
Okay. What year is that? What year?
2008.
2008. Yeah.
It's almost around 20 years ago.
Okay.
Not 20 years, 18, 70 years ago.
Yes. Okay. And I was wondering, how do you meet your clients?
Yeah, it's good questions. Yes, many kinds of situations, but mostly it's by introduction from my friend, and also introduction from the people who called design producers.
Okay.
Who working at the in between of the designers and also for the production maker.
Okay. So you use a middleman in the industry?
It is middleman of the industry. It's very important.
For us young designers, not for me, I mean for the designers in Indonesia, usually the path is when you want to enter the industry, you have to have a lot of exhibition.
Yeah.
You try Milan, you try New York, you try everything. And then just hoping that the client sees you and there's something to work together.
Yeah,
is that the right path to do?
Yeah, I did a lot to find collaborators, to find clients, to show my capabilities. But yeah, it works. And also, important thing is enjoying the life and enjoying to deepen our own perspective and also philosophy for design. Yes, I think I improved step by step. In the beginning, I was just a kid and just a boy. It's a good point to find the important design philosophy through my work.
What is your design philosophy?
Yes, in the beginning points, I'm focusing on making the shape, or shape sometimes usually works for the appearance, beautiful appearance, and also for the usabilities. Yeah, this is simple things, but after that, I try to work more with materials or craftsmanship, because I talked with a scientist of the brain. Yeah, he taught me our brain is not good at creation.
Not good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Normally, people think we create ideas, we create some kind of images by our brain. But he said, he's a professional of the brain. He said, brain is not good for creation. Yeah, brain is very good at editorial. So it's just an editorial work of our past experience.
Interesting.
So at that time, I found if I want to make completely new step or completely something new, we shouldn't use our brain. So at that times, our creation is completely changed. Before that, I sketched a lot, shape a lot, but now I try to make it kind of accident. It's kind of positive accident by touching the materials. So yeah, there are many kinds of materials on our industries.
It's true.
Yeah, it's but each material has their own characters. And the important thing is carefully hearing about their voice, material's voice. We try to hear the material voice by touching the materials. So they said sometimes, I want to be like this, I don't want to be like this. But if we can create a meaningful shape, it have a beautiful appearance and also for the enough strength for constructions on it. So our work, design work, is kind of to find the nice balancing point on our hand. We're touching the materials and changing the shape, bending, stretching. So finally we found, this shape is a perfect balance of it. And also sometimes material, it's kind of tensions works for the strengths. This is a very interesting point of our design work or design process.
I agree because I think nowadays designers, especially, they are exposed to a lot of digital image, social medias. Everything is very well curated. They don't have the sense anymore they don't have the time anymore to like hear what the materials want to say. More or less, they don't have like they don't want to like experiments with materials. I think that is what is missing in the industry. But I want to ask you about
very good point.
I want to ask you about how should we balance between what the clients need. I mean, the industry's demand is crazy, right? We want this efficiency, blah blah blah, and price, blah blah blah, but still doesn't lose the meaning of material that we use.
Very good point, I think. It's many type of gravities on the project. Client demands, materiality, and also price, and engineering, and lots of gravities on it. But we try to find, for sure, aesthetic as well.
Yeah, visual.
We try to find the best balancing point. This is my viewpoint of the design.
Okay. So you mean it will take times for designers to develop the sense of balancing between...
Opposite side of our design process is checking Pinterest.
Yeah, true.
Making 3D data.
Yep.
Beautiful 3D renderings.
Everywhere.
It's bullshit.
Yeah, true. It's just like beautiful image, no soul. Basically, that is what I thought also about AI. Like AI is very helpful, but then again, I think I lost the capacity of thinking. I used to push my brain of think like this, remember a lot of things. But nowadays, when AI came, I don't want to remember. I just like to be lazy with my memories. So I was so afraid that the next generations will be so very different, and they so dependable on AI.
AI is also very good at editorial.
True, beautiful.
Yeah, same as our brain.
True.
So, but on our talk, and we values the accident or misunderstanding.
Yes.
Sometimes these kind of negative things makes new steps for a creation. So sometimes it's gonna be a good improvement in the design.
That's interesting. You mentioned a lot about the accident. So accident happens when you do, right? When you create, you do the process. A lot of designers nowadays, they don't do the process. They just sketch 3Ds and that's it. Present and get money.
Yeah, this is only a editorial of our past experience. So, we should learn more from the materials. And also, For the beginning part of the design, the word design is, I think it nearly came from craftsmanship.
Yes.
Yes. In Japan and Indonesia, it's a similar situation.
Yes.
So when the story of the design is that people can make beautifully about tools. For example, in Japan, using bamboo for basket. At here, it could be a nice straws. It could be a skin of the banana.
Yes.
To change the shape to the more functional object like a basket. But everyone can make it. But some people can make better than other people. This guy is knows very good at making with beautiful shape and with nice functions. And he is a kind of designer. The starting point is like this, very simple things. Using object near here, it's a bamboo, and they're using for the change to the functional object. This is the starting point. So now we are living in a globalized world, so we can import all kinds of the material from the world.
Yeah.
But I try to be back to the origin of the design.
Okay.
So try to use materials near here. Then it creates meaningful object or meaningful.
When a young designers and like an emerging designers came to me and my friends, like they asked me, like, in my opinion, which is more important, to have money first to eat, or to have like idealism, like to design like the one that you said, like focus on the material, listen to what the material want to do, but sometimes it doesn't will directly respond to financial stability.
Also important point.
Yeah, like young designers, they want to like have money first. What do you think about
to survive?
To survive.
And to survive. Yeah, very hard point. So sometimes the easy way to earning money, to create things which recognize easily. We should be brave. We have to decide this project or this object is really needed for the future. Otherwise, we are creating a lot of
garbage.
Yes.
So, do you think idealism is still needed in design?
Our industry is not so sophisticated.
True.
So some clients need garbage.
True.
So this is our choice. Which kind of designers we will be? Brave but poor.
Yes.
But the best point is brave with make happy for everyone. Those kind of people should earn the money in our industries. This is my hope.
That's our dilemma actually. Like, should we eat first? Like, we have to have money, but we cannot create. Like, we cannot buy computers. We cannot buy something else. And so, to be a designer, you need money. But then again, to be a designer, you need to have idealism. So, have you ever had have you ever be in the spot like that? Like, confused which way to be? Or you just, since the beginning, I know exactly where I want to be?
So, actually, I have a different mindset compared to my the beginning of my career. No, it's me.
Okay.
The beginning of my career. When I was young, I'm more focused on more simple, maybe could be more for money or stable life. But now, I'm starting getting a little bit change. I want to say it's improvement, more for future for everyone.
Because I know that this industry is not a cheap. I mean, like, to be a designer, it's not cheap. You have to have a lot of tools, basically, and then you have to be exposed to a lot of things.
Yeah.
You have to travel. You have to experience. And I think the young generations, they need financial support first. That's why sometimes the product doesn't have soul yet, but they did it anyway just because they need the money. I don't think it's wrong, but I think that's just the step that they need to overcome after that?
I think it sounds very nice systems. The people who make the support for the young designers. It could be a government. It could be elder persons.
Yes.
Like us.
Yes.
So we should support young talent.
I agree. So what is your, what is your perspective on Indonesian designers when you see Ja and then?
Yes, I came here and I found a lot of similarities to Japan.
Really?
Yeah, lots of craftsmanship and the colorful materials. And, our design is deeply connected with the craftsmanship. So we learned a lot from the material, lot from the craft artisans, craftsman's work. So in this point, it's very, very similar.
In my work, I need to be traveling enough to see a lot of craftsmen in Indonesia. And then what I found is there's no regenerations of craftsmen. It's a dying art, basically, like weaving, carving, something that needs to be done by handwork. It's not sexy enough for the young generations. They feel like it's a hard labor, time consuming, doesn't earn a lot of money. So I don't know. I don't think the traditional craftsmanship will sustain. But I don't know what is your take on that?
Also very important point. Now, yeah, again, we are living in a globalization.
True.
So, yeah, lots of reasonable materials, reasonable products.
True.
By importing from the another world. But we should have some doubt for that industries. So William Morris is the father of the design. Things he did is vision for the design. Just after industrial revolutions, the world is filled up with garbage. Very cheap quality.
Yes.
Without any aesthetics. So he said, no, this is the things we needed. But so he made vision and inspirations for people who working in products.
So basically what you're saying is that is part of our responsibilities as a designers, maybe as a product designers, to be more conscious about what we do, and then the young generations.
It is.
Okay.
And also our profession is not only for making object, not only for product. Our profession is to create the new visions for could be sustainable, could be peaceful, could be safe, nice futures.
By saying that, there's another problem also from the client perspective. Sometimes we are facing with demand or brief that is not fun enough for us
seems
to...
not necessary for the nice new world.
Yeah. So how do you convince the client to...
Yes, communication is very important for our work, for designers. Not to make the big arguments, but argument is okay, but not to fight. Try to create a healthy discussion. That's why we shouldn't make this. That's why we should finish this project. Sometimes we had this kind of discussion with the client.
So there's an art of communicating with clients then.
But sometimes client, no, I want to ask you to create a new product. You're happy. For sure you're happy. No, I'm not happy with making new product. Why? You are the product designers.
You will have money. I will pay you.
Sometimes. This is very healthy conversation.
Oh, okay. Well, sometimes client listen to you because you're somebody. You're an established designers. But for young designers, I think it's very difficult to be heard by client. Do you think the reputation also important for us as a designers, that we need to reach a certain level of designers to be heard or maybe influencing the client?
Yeah, that's true. So young designers need experience or need improvement.
Yes.
I can work like this.
Yeah.
But
You've been in that position before?
but this is only for the old generation. From now, good designer should have a strong mindset and a strong perspective. These kind of designers will be a nice, outstanding one, I think.
Okay, you have a very high hopes for the future then.
Yeah, we should fight with myself.
I agree.
Another part of me is we need money, more stable life for families,
Yes.
for employees.
Yes.
But other sides, no, we shouldn't do this.
Which way to choose?
Yeah, as always, we are fighting. But let's see, it's lots of nice designers from all over the world. They have their own beautiful visions. It's not good designers don't have good vision. A simple result. So we can learn it very simply. This is a kind of hurdle. What level of designer you wanna be?
Yes.
It's low level or high level? Extremely high. We can set up.
So set goal first.
Yeah.
What
Set
kind
the
of
goal
designers
first.
you want to be?
It is. So behavior will be changed.
I don't know about how you feel about like Salone and Milan. That's really the mecca of design scene for us designers, especially product designers. But I don't know, for this a couple of years back, I feel very bored. Like, I mean, like the product that I saw there, the same.
It is.
They just change color, and then suddenly all these designers doing the same thing. One thing, there's a material called boucle, the fabric.
Boucle. Yeah.
Everyone start, not this, this one. Oops. Yep.
Yeah.
That's another material. Yeah. Suddenly we became like that. So the design scene is not interesting anymore. Do you think we should change the scene, like exhibition and how we present the products? Or like this is where a unique concept.
Yeah.
It's not just selling, but this is like connecting, vibing. Yeah, I don't know. What do you think?
Yeah, very good point and a very nice opinion from you. Especially for the book. But it's okay if you can create very sustainable boucle.
Yeah.
It could be work.
Yeah, that's
People
new.
need the texture of the boucle, nice aspect, nice touch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just worried
But we
that
still have some spots to make some ideas.
I see.
Yeah, but I'm completely agree with you. Now it's a lot of, it's not copy, but
same.
same
The
touch, same taste.
touch. Like I've seen that before. I've seen that somewhere. The soul is not there. Like you can sense if the product has souls or not, right?
So now it's very hard to find a good project.
True.
Even in Milan.
True.
So a lot of options in Milan.
True.
But still a brilliant, beautiful project in Milan.
I agree.
So I always try to find beautiful one, brilliant one. There's some, could be a challengeable project from the designers, from the brand. I'm very happy to see those kind of big challenge.
Yeah.
But most of them producing same products. But it's okay. Let's see the good part of the Milan. This is my mind.
That's because the trend is going that way.
Yeah.
Suddenly, everyone doing the same thing.
That's true. You are right.
All right then. It's been a lovely conversation with you. I hope we can do it again sometimes if we met each other. That is my last question. So thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting
You're
you.
my idol.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.